I have the Scotsman CU50 ice maker, and this week the cleaning light came on. That's this yellow guy here, so I'm going to begin cleaning it. Here's the total instructions on how to clean and descale it, and you can pause this section if you want to read this. Descaling means taking the minerals off, so descaling is overlappingly similar to cleaning. Okay, so unlike an ice machine at Burger King, this thing is actually going to be taken care of. First step, take the ice out of it. We're just going to throw this away. First, push the ice making on-off button for 3 seconds to stop the ice making cycle. Okay, now you're going to push both buttons, the clean reset button and the power button, for 5 seconds. Okay, once that light starts blinking, that's how you know you've done it correctly. Now I'm going to take my descaler tabs fresh from Amazon, and I'm going to put one tablet in there. I'm going to put an affiliate link in the description to buy this. Full disclosure, the company sent me these to use in this video. So the company makes it so that you can use this bi-monthly, and this is 1 year supply, 24 tablets. Okay, I've put some gloves on. Take one tablet and put it in your cleaning reservoir. Okay, I had to break the tablet up to get them in the reservoir a little bit. Now you resume running the machine for half an hour so that it will go through its cycle cleaning. Let's also take this time to clean the scoop with some mild soap and warm water. Okay, a half an hour has passed. Now simply hit the power button, and then now it will rinse for half an hour. Then after that, you can hit the power button again to resume making ice. In between, I'm going to take 1 ounce of bleach and mix it to 2 gallons of water per Scotsman's instructions, and I'm going to use that solution to clean the inside of this ice maker, sanitizing it. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. And again, I'm going to put an affiliate link to buy the descaler.